This lesson is on solving word problems with money. Let's read our first money word problem together. It says, Joe has saved 2 quarters, 5 dimes, and 3 nickels in his piggy bank. He wants a toy that costs $1.50. Does he have enough money? How much more does he need? Well, the first thing we need to find out is how much money Joe has. And instead of drawing all the coins out, let's write it in decimal form because it will be easier to stack it up and add it. So he has 2 quarters, that's 50 cents. And the way we write 50 cents with a decimal is to do our decimal, our dot first, and then 50. This says 50 cents right here. He has 5 dimes. 5 dimes is also 50 cents. Now when you line these up, it's very important to keep your ones in the same line, your tens in the same line, and your decimals all down in the same line. And 3 nickels. And we know that 3 nickels is 15 cents. And the way we would write 15 cents is decimal 1 5. Now let's add it up. And we have everything lined up really straight, so it'll be easy to add. Well, 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. So we would pretend, just like we had zeros over here, remember we didn't have any dollars, and we would put our 1 here for 11 and our other 1 down here. Let's line up our decimal next. And 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. $1.15. That's how much Joe has. Well, he wants a toy that costs $1.50. Does he have enough money? Well, no, he doesn't, because $1.15 is less than $1.50. But the last question asks, how much more does he need? And remember, when we hear how much more or how many more, that always means subtract to find the answer. So we'll take $1.50, that's how much the toy costs that he wants, minus what he has. He has $1.15, and that's going to give us the answer to how much more money he needs. Well, we can't do 0 minus 5 because 0 is less than 5, so we'll borrow next door. The 5 becomes a 4, the 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bring our decimal down. 1 minus 1 is 0. 35 cents is our answer. Joe would need 35 more cents to buy that toy. Let's look at another problem. This problem says Sarah has $2.25 and her sister has $1.47. How much money do they have all together? We know that all together means add. So we're going to add Sarah's $2.25. And the first one I didn't use my dollar signs. I'm going to go ahead and do that every time because it's important that we remember. And her sister has $1.47. So let's add these up. Start in our ones place. We know that 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry your 1. Put your 2 here. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. I'm going to go ahead and bring that decimal down here and add 2 plus 1 is 3. And I'll put my dollar sign, and we know that they have $3.72 altogether. Let's look at another problem. Sam saved up $5. He spent $2.25 on baseball cards. How much change did he get back? When you see change, you want to subtract to see how much he got back. So we're going to subtract. So he had $5, and he spent $2.25 on those baseball cards. Let's subtract to see the change that he got back. We can't do 0 minus 5. So we go to the tens and we see that we can't do 0 minus 2 because zeros are less than the number below them. So we're going to go all the way here and make our 5 a 4, borrow, make our 0 a 10. Well, we still can't do 0 minus 5, so we're going to borrow from this 10 again, becomes a 9. This 0 becomes a 10. Now we can subtract down. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Put our dollar sign in. He got $2.75 back in change. 75 cents back in change. Let's look at our next problem. Jay has 8 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels. He wants a candy that costs $2. Does he have enough? If so, does he have any left over? Well, let's add up the money that Jay has first. 8 quarters would be $2 because 4 quarters would be $1. 4 more quarters would be another $1, so that makes $2. So 8 quarters would be $2. He also has 4 dimes. That would be 40 cents. And 2 nickels. 2 nickels is 10 cents. So let's add this up to see how much money Jay has. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring down your decimal. Bring down your 2. Jay has $2.50. He wants a candy that costs $2. Does he have enough? Well, of course he does. He even has more left over. He has $2.50. If so, how much does he have left over? So we'll say $2.50 minus the $2 that he has. 0 plus minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. He would still have 50 cents left over. Let's look at one more problem. Karen has 75 cents, Laura has 90 cents, and Jill has $1. If they put their money together, how much money will they have? Well, let's see. Karen's got 75 cents. Decimal 75 is how we would write that. And I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 in because there are no dollars. Laura has 90 cents. There's 90 cents with no dollars. And Jill has $1. Well, they're putting their money together, so we're going to add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 7 is 16. So we carry our 1, put our 6 here, bring down our decimals. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. So together, the girls have $2.65. That is the end of our lesson today on solving money word problems.